So Sydney, what are you putting in the steamer?
What is it? What is it? What is that?
What's in the bowl?
What is it? Broccoli, huh? What color is it?
Green.
It's green. Very good. Oh, yeah. Go for it, girl. Woohoo! Okay. I hope Grammy gets that one. It's got sugar on it. It's got sugar on it. It's got Sydney sugar on it.
You gonna try each one of them?
Bring me the broccoli. Do you understand it? Okay, put some more in. Yeah. Oh boy.
Mama.
Okay. We have to put all that in here. Oh, did you chew that other stuff that you ate? Okay, good.
Yes.
Good. You like that green stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. There you go. Put some more in. Look how much you have left. Wow, you have a big job to do. You're doing very good. Very good. 2 at a time. Okay. Oh, goodness. Look at that. Do you think it's going to all fit?
Wow, that's
She looks, this is a big job. I think I better use both hands now.
good work.
All right.
Mom.
Okay. Okay, push it down. Push it down. Good girl. Okay, put some more. Greg, can you believe this? Look at her. She's helping us make the broccoli.
Eat the broccoli.
Really?
She's putting it in the steamer for Grammy.
All right. She's a little
Look.
cook, huh?
Yeah, but look, she's taking a bite out
Well,
of it
sure.
as she does it.
Don't worry.
So watch out which ones you get.
She's got sugar.
Good job,
Good
Sydney.
job.
She wants to
Green
taste
beans.
test
You
them,
want
I
your green
think.
beans? Okay, I think that's probably enough in there. It might be
Does she like
pretty
broccoli?
full.
Does she eat raw broccoli?
Not for us.
Huh. It's good for
But
you.
I don't cook very much either, so.
There you go. Okay. All done.